Should you focus on finding sellers or finding buyers first as a wholesaler? So when it comes to flipping real estate as a wholesaler, you need motivated sellers and you need cash buyers. Now, one school of thought, often referred to as reverse wholesaling, says that you should go out and build your buyers list first. Find out what your buyers are looking to purchase, their buy box, and then go out and find the property that matches that criteria. So this is going to make your targeting better and you'll be more efficient in your marketing. And it makes the sale a lot easier, once you're under contract. The problem with this method is that it can take a lot of time to build that list. And during that time, you're not generating any income. Also, if you start putting buyers on your list without the inventory to show them, it can hurt your credibility, or they'll often just unsubscribe from your list. So the second school of thought says that you should focus on finding sellers first. And if you find a good deal, the buyers will come. And that's often not true for a number of different reasons. Sometimes you run out of time trying to find a buyer. You might end up dealing with tire kickers. There might not be sufficient demand in the area. And so my answer to this question is to utilize somewhat of a hybrid model, where you're going to look at sales data of properties that have been purchased with cash by investors in your target market. You can find this information using a software like Privy. And even though you don't own that buyer's list, you can verify the demand in the area and kind of build an archetype of the type of properties buyers want and the prices they're paying. And you can do this type of market research in like 30 minutes. Then with that archetype in mind, you should immediately go out and start trying to find properties that fit that criteria. Once you lock it up, you go back to those same cash buyers from your research and offer them the deal. Now, in addition, if you don't have a large buyer's list, if you're in a market with sufficient demand, there should be other wholesalers there. So reach out to those other wholesalers and offer to partner with them if they can bring you one of their buyers. So as an example, I've been building my buyers list since 2012. So that means when one of my students brings me a deal, they get instant access to the last 11 years of my work, finding good buyers, forming those relationships, benefiting from thousands of dollars I've spent on direct mail marketing campaigns, Facebook ad campaigns, thousands of hours spent on the phone, and they're instantly accessing over 20,000 cash buyers with no out-of-pocket cost. So if you're interested in doing a JV deal with me using one of my buyers, DM me the word partnership. And if you have any other additional questions about wholesaling, just DM me the word help, and I'll show you my step-by-step process of how to close deals in the next 4 to 6 weeks.